AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, good times being the local meteorologist, and they will continue for another day or two. A couple of nice days through the rest of this week, although clouds on the increase through Friday. And I think Saturday is not going to be half bad if you don't mind. 80-degree temperatures and slight rain chances. We do have a cool front on the way Saturday night that's going to make it look between night and day between Saturday and Sunday, as temperatures are going to be sharply cooler. A little bit of a winter chill in the air for a day or two following that front. So let's take a look at the big picture outside. Justin Terro getting our weather shot from the beautiful UL campus, and there's Old Glory flying in the breeze. Nice breeze today, not quite as strong as yesterday, but a lovely breeze and day, and there we go. Salute the flag. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48, and we are looking at generally fair skies across much of the eastern part of the nation, all the way through the East Coast. Back to the west, it's a lot of mess. A little bit of an active subtropical jet stream over by Arizona. We have a storm system out here in the Pacific, keeping it wet once again across California, and more snow in the Sierra, and winter storm watches across portions of Wyoming as that system works its way inland. And eventually, this is the system that gives us a frontal boundary that'll be knocking on our door as we head into Saturday night. So still several days away. Meanwhile, just fair skies, just a few high-level cirrus clouds from time to time. But we have noticed a nice blob on the radar during the course of the day today associated with a fire in around the Grand Chenier area. I think this is just a natural burning of some marsh, but probably on private land, because I haven't seen any prescribed burns on the prescribed burn site. And this came from Amy Miller showing a nice cloud cover here, or smoke plume rather, from the marsh fires, and it looks like there's more than just one point source. So looks like somebody clearing some of the brush and thatch across portions of coastal Cameron Parish. Temperatures today in the mid-40s, warming up into the mid-70s this afternoon, and it looks like we'll be cooling down nicely again for tonight. High pressure, though, beginning to shuttle off to the east, so that means we're going to start to see a return flow. Easterly winds tomorrow morning will turn southeasterly or south-southeasterly tomorrow afternoon, but we'll call it mostly sunny and warmer. Temperatures going above the guidance, our future cast guidance. I think we'll see mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. And as we head into tomorrow night, a cool one. Temperatures get down temporarily mid-50s, but they'll be warming up quickly by morning, and then nice and mild during the afternoon for our Friday. No mention of rain in the forecast. We'll go 10% Friday, so not expecting much shower activity, so DTA should be good. And then going into Saturday, here comes that front. Notice Futurecast not painting much green locally. We flip it over to the European model, and we won't see showers more than likely until Saturday night, Sunday morning. Here we are at midnight Saturday night. Maybe a shower or two during the day Saturday at 20 to 30%. Lingering light rains and sharply cooler for Sunday. Then it looks to try to clear out Monday, but here comes another disturbance that may bring some rain to us for Monday afternoon. Tuesday of next week looks to be the best day next week in that 10-day forecast moving down the road. Near term tonight, not half bad. Another cool one. Northern parishes getting down into the mid-40s, upper 40s to near 50, Lafayette and the I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same along the coastal parishes. And then after that chilly start in the morning, we warm up nicely in the afternoon. We'll get into the mid-70s, 77 the projected high for tomorrow. So another pleasant evening, not quite as cool, clear skies out there, 50 the low in Lafayette, just perfect sleeping weather. And tomorrow, perfect napping weather. Why not? 77 the high with mostly sunny skies. A few more high-level cirrus clouds out there. And a nice breeze out of the south-southeast for tomorrow afternoon. That breeze becomes more of a tropical breeze for Friday into Saturday. Temperatures pushing 80 Saturday. There are your rain chances for this weekend. 20% late Saturday afternoon, 60% Saturday night, 30, 40%. I think that's early Sunday. Most of Sunday should be dry but cloudy. And look at those temperatures in the 50s Sunday, dropping into the low to mid 40s for a couple of nights, and then we'll gradually warm up toward the end of next week. The last 4 days of the 10-day forecast, they're going to change and going to change and going to change again.
Well, stay tuned for that then. Thanks, Rob.